All done with that class, finally. Good morning guys. I didn't officially start off the vlog yet, but I'm basically just vlogging up my busy Monday. Another to-do list. Today I had 2 Zoom calls, as you guys saw. So right now I'm actually about to do some cleaning in my room. I need to put away some laundry. I need to dust like the TV and like everything, just dust everything. Just like a nice quick little cleaning segment for you guys, and a little bit more organizing. I'm gonna put some more stuff inside my desk and then move along with everything else I need to do today that's on my to-do list. Hopefully we order like the artwork and everything else just so we can like finish up this room and that I can do my room tour. The other video is gonna be up soon though, so make sure you have your post notifications on for that. And I officially finished my global issues class because I handed in my final paper. We had our last Zoom meeting today. Thursday is like my official last day of Zoom calls. And I only have one for psych, so I get to like sleep in a little bit. And then next week is finals, so I also need to start studying today and a couple other days this week. But they are open book, which is nice for 2 of them, and I'm very lucky for that, but I'm still gonna like study and prepare. So hope you guys enjoy this vlog, and let's get on with the cleaning montage. While I clean, I'm gonna listen to the new Drake album. It's so good. This is my favorite song, well, one of my favorite songs. I like a lot of them, but I'm just gonna shuffle it and get started. Lunch and I finished my Zoom call already, cleaned up like you guys saw, my montage, and we just ordered artwork, my desk organizer, and yeah, other stuff for the room, but those are my main stuff that I needed. So I gotta finish up the room. Also got a throw pillow for my bed. Now, before I start like studying and responding, I'm gonna respond to YouTube comments because I just uploaded a new video, so make sure you go watch it, but then I'm gonna start studying. Right now I have like my sunglasses and like blue light glasses and stuff, which is gonna go in my desk in the back. I'm just gonna like line them up and you won't be able to really see it, but it'll be there. And if I ever like can't reach something, what's great is there's another opening, so I can easily just turn my desk and grab it from the back. And then this can go right back here. I'm not sure if this is gonna stay here. Just put it here right now when I was filming my video, and I put my Laneige on top of it, but the other organizer is gonna go here. So depending on the size, we'll see. But I don't use it like every day. It would be nice though to have it here though when I put like my mascara on, but I'm not sure. I can always put it inside my desk because I can fold it like this. So let's see if it fits. It actually does fit inside here, so I can, if it doesn't look, because I don't want my desk to be cluttered at all. So with that organizer that's gonna go there, I feel like that'll be enough, and I'll get a coaster still. But like it won't be cluttered up here at all. So if anything, and I still want to like get ready in the morning, I can easily pull this out whenever I want to like sit here and put my mascara on, because I don't really do much, like I don't do makeup that much, I only put mascara on. So I'm really happy that it fits in here. I literally just thought of that right now. But right now I just have it up there just for now until that order comes in. So right now I'm gonna go get my computer and respond to some comments, check up on my video, and then I'm gonna get started with studying for my environmental science class, because our final is next Tuesday. I also need to study for psych, but I might do that tomorrow. I don't need to like fully go ham on studying for science. That's gonna be like a progressive thing, like this whole week, study a little bit each day. And then later on I have to do day 9's workout. I'm gonna edit some YouTube videos today at some point, and then relax at the end of the night. I'm really tired today because I slept late yesterday and I had to wake up early. It's like a recurring thing. It literally always happens to me. I can't sleep, and then I can't sleep on the nights that I have early Zoom. But now we won't really have to worry about early Zooms because I'm basically done. Just made a nice coffee, and I'm about to order some metal straws because I don't have any. I found good ones on Amazon, and it also comes with like a straw cleaner, which is what I need. And then I'm gonna study. I haven't used a notebook in so freaking long. It feels really weird to have it out right now since everything has been online, but like from the beginning of the semester, all my notes for science are in this book, and then all the other PowerPoints are online. These are the ones that I found on Amazon for $5. Now I'm gonna also look for a coaster while I'm shopping online. And that's basically all we need. We ordered everything, like I told you guys, like the artwork and everything, so I'm really happy about that. But I'm gonna order this myself because I really need it, especially now that it's getting hot. I've been really wanting iced coffees more, so I definitely need these. Alright guys, we just finished eating dinner. It was so good, and I'm gonna work out soon. I wrote on my thing day 9, but it's actually day 8's workout. Day 9 is a rest day. I got the days confused. So tomorrow I will have a rest day, today has been really productive. I'm really happy that we ordered all this stuff. I'm actually going to be ordering coasters. I found ones that I like, and I actually just saw this girl's story that I follow, and she was talking about glass straws, so I might get glass straws instead of metal straws. I mean, I'm not going to use it every day. Like, I don't drink iced coffee every day because I really do enjoy like a hot coffee in the morning, but like on really hot days I've been really wanting to have an iced coffee. Like the other day it was like 80, it was really freaking hot outside, and I was like, oh, I could use like a nice like iced coffee. And I don't want to keep using the other straws, so I don't know what I'm going to order yet. I'll probably order it in a little bit, like when I'm chilling in bed after I shower, because I'm letting my computer charge. So yeah, it's almost time to work out, and I will update you guys in a minute. Alright, I just finished showering and I'm about to order my things from Amazon that I was shopping around for earlier. So I found these coasters that I really ended up liking. I'm gonna make it bigger for you guys. They're black and white marble because I didn't know if I wanted all white or, you know, a little bit of black, but I didn't want them to be like too dark on my desk. So my cousin also helped me out and we came up with these, and I will link them down below for you guys if you guys maybe are interested and need some coasters for $10.99. Not bad. And I also like these because the bottoms, if I can find the picture, the bottoms have like the cork on the bottom, which is really nice, so it prevents scratches to like your table surface. So I like these. And then I'm also getting the metal straws. Like I was telling you guys, these are the bestseller ones. I'll also have them linked down below, and for $5 you cannot beat the price. So I'm going to order these now. I also, yesterday, or was it this morning? I think it was last night, I ordered my Nespresso pods because I need to re-up on those for this new month. But yeah, now after this I'm going to edit some YouTube videos. Alright, I'm about to continue editing this video. It is the workout video, so stay on the lookout for this one. I'm really excited for it, and I'm trying to make it a little more fun with my edits and just playing around with it. So that's what I like to do, and especially for these type of videos where it's like progress videos, I like to edit a little bit each day so that at the end of it I don't have to like sit and edit the whole thing like all at once. So that's kind of what I'm doing as far as YouTube goes, and I usually just take time whenever I have the chance, like at night, and edit, or anytime throughout the day. It's going to be much easier when school is officially done, like no more exams, no more Zoom calls officially. So just kind of giving you guys a little bit of an insight of how I balance out doing like YouTube work, even though I don't really consider it work at all, but you know, just YouTube editing and all that stuff behind the scenes. So as part of my night routine, I always close these just so when it's like, if it's bright in the morning, it doesn't come through. Look at how cozy my bed looks. I freaking love this comforter. Now I just get my bed all ready. One here, one here. I think in my other vlog I spoke about how I have my pillows, but it's literally 12:33 right now, and I was just editing a vlog, and I was just playing around trying to like do some different edits, and my freaking camera's blinking at me, so perfect timing. Also, I have moisturizer on. I'm not like sweaty or oily, but anyways, besides the fact, I'm going to not sleep right now. Honestly, I'm not even that tired, but I'm gonna end off this video right here. I hope you guys enjoyed this busy Monday college vlog. We're literally almost done, and I can't freaking wait. Like, I feel like I've said that in every single vlog lately, but truly I can't wait. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed it. I think I'm gonna vlog another day this week. I have like a bunch of videos that I need to like figure out when they're going up. But if you guys have been enjoying my vlogs, Let me know down below. Also, let me know how you're doing, and also let me know when you finish school, all that stuff. We can have a chat in the comments. But I hope you guys are all staying safe, and I will see you guys all in my next video. Bye guys.